Hello, this is Rob Catron from the KHSAA. I'd like to use this brief video to review common login errors that occur on our KHSAA member school only login page, and also briefly go over the new look and function of the login page in our revised 2013-2014 system. Once you're on the restricted KHSAA member school only page, you will have to enter your username and password to log in. Your username is the email address that was entered into the KHSAA coaching registry by either your AD or principal or other administrator, whoever's in charge of that at your school. Now please note, if you're a new user and you do not have an account, you will need to contact your AD or principal so they can create your account in the KHSAA in their personnel database. Once they do that, you can return to this page to set your personal password for the first time. But note, whether you're a new user or a user that has simply forgotten your password, neither the KHSAA or your AD or principal should set the password for you for obvious security reasons. In either situation, you can set your new password by simply following the link on this page right here that says click here to set or reset your personal password. So let's click on that link. Let's say I've forgotten or I'm a new user. On this page, you're going to use this form to receive an email message to whichever email address that you type in on how to reset your personal password. So simply type in your email address in the box and click on Email Password Reset Instructions at the middle of the page right here. So note, if the email address that you have entered here is not in the system, so in other words, your account's not in there, or you've changed your email address and not notified your administrator, you will be told so at the top of the screen as we see here. So let's see, I'm going to put in one that I know is not in the system. Notice what it says here. The email address robert.catron@khsaa.org is not registered as an email address. In this situation, you're going to have to contact your administrator and have them either create your account or revise your account to reflect this new email address. So let's hit back on the browser and go back to the login screen. So now I'm going to type in an email address that I know is in the system, my regular one, and I'm going to hit Email Password Reset Instructions. Now notice what it says here. An email has been sent to rcatron@khsaa.org with instructions for resetting your password. When you receive the email, and see, I already did, it popped up on my screen down here. It's very quick. You follow the instructions in the email to reset your password, and you have 2 hours to use the link. So now I'm going to go to my email, and I'm just going to drag it over here to where you can see it. See, I have an email in my inbox, your password reset request from khsaa.org, and you see that we've received the request. All you have to do is click on this link, and if it's not underlined, you can always copy and paste the link into your browser. But let's click on that link. Notice it takes me back to our website. It's asking me to enter a password, and again, this is if I forgot my password or if I'm a new user and haven't set one yet. So I'm going to set my password. I've entered it twice. They must be at least 8 characters long, contain a mix of letters and numbers. So I enter your new password twice and I hit reset password. And now my password has been reset and I can now log in. Now I'm going to use an account, my test account, which is tedcatron@khsaa.org, to discuss one new feature of the revised system. So note, in the new system, if you have multiple roles at your school, say a baseball head coach and a bowling assistant coach, you must then select the role that you want to use for this particular login session. You can see in my example here for Ted Catron, I'm going to go ahead and click to log in. Notice it immediately says my options to log in. I'm either going to log in as the varsity baseball head coach, the JV varsity bowling boys assistant coach, or I'm also in here as a freshman cross-country girls non-coach adult staff. So I pick one. Say I wanted to work on my baseball rosters and my AD allows me to revise the rosters. I'm going to click and select Dare County Varsity Baseball Head Coach. I'm going to hit change my role. And now I'm logged in. It tells you at the top I'm logged in as Ted.Catron as a Dare County Varsity Baseball Head Coach. If I want to change my role, I don't have to log out. I can just hit change login role, and let's pick the bowling assistant coach. Hit change role. Now I'm going to go over later specific training videos on how to actually use the different functions inside the revised system. But this is all for this training video. Good luck. Thank you.